In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Discord on Android. If you're new to Discord, it's a popular app for voice, video, and text chat that's widely used by gaming communities, study groups, and teams. Getting it on your Android phone or tablet is quick and reliable through the official Google Play Store. Before you start, make sure you're connected to the internet and that your device has a little free space available for the download and installation. Begin by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is the trusted marketplace that keeps your apps safe and up to date. You'll usually find its icon on your home screen or in your app drawer, and it looks like a colored play button. If the store asks for updates or shows a brief loading screen, let it finish so everything runs smoothly. Once the Play Store is open, use the search bar at the top and type Discord. As results appear, look for the official Discord app. You can confirm you've got the right one by checking that it's published by the official developer and that it has a high rating and lots of downloads. The familiar logo and clear app description are good indicators you're in the right place. Taking a moment to verify the official listing helps you avoid lookalike apps. Now select the Discord app and tap Install. The Play Store will handle the rest. You'll see a progress bar that first downloads the files and then installs them. The time this takes depends on your internet speed and the size of any updates included. If you're on mobile data, be mindful that downloads can use your plan's data. Using Wi-Fi can be faster and more cost-effective. If your device asks for basic permissions related to the app's features, review them and proceed. Should you run into a message about storage, clearing a bit of space and trying again usually solves it. When the installation completes, the button in the Play Store changes to Open, and the Discord icon will appear in your app drawer. That's your confirmation that the app is successfully installed and ready whenever you need it. The Play Store will also keep the app updated over time, so you get the latest features and security improvements without extra effort. And that's all there is to it. Open the Google Play Store, search for Discord, then select it and install. You're all set. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Discord on your Android device.